Hello everyone, I am Minendra Surve. Today we are going to discuss the problem on deflection, and this problem is very important as per the GATE examination. It is based on actual concept. So let's see what is the problem. For the given loading diagram, determine the reaction force at B. So we have to find out what will be the reaction force at this point B. So let's see what is the solution for that. So this length is given as a L. So this point will be a B. So here it is my reaction force at B, RB. This is my A point. If I resolve the second figure or free body diagram for second figure, what we will get? This is my C and D. Yes, for C and D, if you think here, this is the reaction force at RB. So similar reaction force will occur over here, and that is nothing but here. In this case, reaction force at B for this section AB will upward direction, and similarly for CD section it will be a downward direction. Why? If you get this, you will solve problem very easily. So here it is, the reaction forces are given. Why it is downward? Because these are upward, so we have to balance these two forces. So this will be acting downwards, and one another important for that, why it is downward, as this is acting upward, RB at point B, so definitely on the CD section it will be acting downward. Okay, so after getting this, we have to find out what reaction force at B. So for this, we have to think the deflection at a B. If my deflection at a B is likewise, this is my deflection. So deflection at B must be equal to, or we can say deflection at point B for AB section must be equal to deflection at a point B for CD section. This is the solution, or this is the concept. So I can write here deflection at a point B for AB section must be equal to deflection at a point B for CD. So we can say, or we can say deflection at AB and deflection at CD is equal to 0. Yes, so let's find out what is the deflection at AB. So for a deflection at AB, due to this W, that is acting kilonewton per meter, due to this, what is my deflection? W L raised to 4 upon 8 EI. This is similar concept that as we have seen in previous problem. Okay, that is nothing but for uniformly distributed load, deflection as W L raised to 4 by 8 EI, and this is acting as a downward, so that's why here it is a minus sign. Again, due to this RB, yes, due to this RB, okay, due to this RB, or we can resolve this AB section. Look here, if you resolve, what we will get? This is my AB section. This is my AB, and due to this, the deflection will occur likewise plus, or due to AB again. This is my AB section, and due to this point load, this is RB. Yes. So for this section, my W L raised to 4 divided by 8 EI. This is my deflection. Again for this section, my deflection will occur in upper side. This is deflection because my load is acting this way. So this is my upper deflection. So I can take this as a positive sign. So this is my positive sign, and this is for cantilever beam point load. That is nothing but W L cube divided by 3I. Okay, and this must be equal to deflection at a point B due to this CD section. So what will be the deflection if my point load acting at the middle of the CD? So this is the middle section of the CD, and my RB is acting at the middle way. So what is that? We can write here, this is RB. So RB L cube divided by, at a point load acting midway, we can consider it is 48 EI. This is a point load acting at the midway. So this is L by 2 or L by 2. This is acting at the midway. So if you solve this, what is unknown? We can say here RB. Okay, this is W is nothing but your RB. Due to point load, RB L cube by 3i, RB L cube by 48i. After solving this, you will get what is the reaction force at point B. Okay, so this L cube, this L cube, this L cube will get cancelled. EI, this will get cancelled. What is remaining over here? Minus WL divided by 8 plus RB divided by 3 is equal to RB divided by 48. So minus of WL, again what is due to this RB, so slope will acting downward direction. Due to this downward direction, we have to consider this as a minus. So don't forget this. Reactions and directions are important in deflection. If you write the correct way for directions, you will get right answer. So this is the most important thing. So force is acting downwards. Here is also force is acting downwards. So that's why we are assuming this deflection is a minus. So we have to assume this as also minus. Yes. So minus WL by 8 is equal to minus RB. What is there? Minus of RB divided by 48 minus of RB divided by 3. So if you take 48 as a common, so this minus side I will take outside. So this minus will get cancelled. So RB plus what will get here? 16 times RB is equal to WL by 8. So after this we will get 17 times RB divided by 48. So this will get as reduced to 6. What is ultimate aim to find RB? So RB is equal to 6WL divided by 17. So this is the right answer for reaction force at RB, and it is 6WL by 17. So what is important? You have to take the directions, load directions. That is the important thing in this concept. And what is important concept? So why I am selecting this question? Because this is the important concept. So what is that concept? Deflection at a point B must be a zero. That you have to think first. Due to if you calculate the deflection due to the AB section, that will be must be equal to the deflection due to a CD section, and we can write here deflection due to AB is equal to deflection due to a CD. So after writing this, you will get ultimate reaction RB, that is 6WL divided by 17. Okay, so this is very important concept. Remember, you have to take the directions. This is due to the minus, this will be a minus. By superposition theorem, we have divided this section. This is due to the UDL, uniformly distributed load. This is due to the point load. It is acting upward. So this is plus, and again for the delta P for CD, this is acting as a downward. So that's why we have taken the deflection is a minus. After getting this, we will get 6WL by 17. So thank you. If you like my video, so subscribe it. Thanks.